Hola, welcome back to SpanishForYourJob.com. In this guide, we will review a few easy ways to talk about your age in Spanish. Let's get started. When talking about your age in Spanish, you will need to think a little different when compared to English. In Spanish, you are not a certain age. You have years. So it's a little different the way you think about it. Let me show you what I mean. To say your age in Spanish, you use this phrase. Tengo plus a number, which is the number of years you have, plus the word años, which means years. So it is tengo plus a number plus años. Here's an example. Tengo 30 años, which literally means I have 30 years, but it is the equivalent of I am 30 years old. Tengo 30 años. Here's another example. Tengo 25 años. I have 25 years, which means I am 25 years old. Tengo 25 años. Another example. Tengo 41 años. I am 41 years old, or it translates as I have 41 years. Tengo 41 años. Now, if you want to ask someone their age using an informal tone, you can use this phrase. ¿Cuántos años tienes? How old are you? Using an informal tone. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Now, it is very important that you make sure to say the word años with an ñ, all right? Because if you say it with an N, it has a different meaning, which is a body part you can look up. That it's the back section of a person, right? The bottom. So it's important that you say años, right? So just a quick comment there. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Do not say ¿cuántos años tienes? Don't say that. It's ¿cuántos años tienes? Okay? Now, if you prefer to use a formal tone, you can use this phrase. ¿Cuántos años tiene usted? How old are you, sir or ma'am? ¿Cuántos años tiene usted? Or just ¿cuántos años tiene? The most common mistake beginners make when talking about their age in Spanish is using the verb ser because they're used to talk about being a certain age. All right? And the second most common mistake to avoid is adding viejo at the end of the sentence like this. This is how often beginners say it, right? So try not to say it like this. Yo soy 25 años viejo. Right? So it would translate loosely as I be 25 years old. Or 25 years old, sure. But in Spanish, it doesn't sound right. Yo soy 25 años viejo. Do not say that. However, because it is incorrect, all right? Just remember to use tengo, I have, and not soy. And avoid adding viejo at the end. Now, the correct way to say I am 25 years old is this. Tengo 25 años. Tengo 25 años. I am 25 years old. Tengo or yo tengo 25 años. All right? And remember to say años. We have learned a few easy ways to talk about your age in Spanish. If you want to keep learning, click the video on your screen right now where you can learn over 100 common Spanish sentences you can use in everyday life. Go ahead, click the video on your screen so you can keep learning Spanish.